But yeah, man, whoever is still locked in, yeah, whether you was locked in from the beginning or came in at the end or during the middle, whatever, innit? Yeah, just want to say appreciate everyone that's locked in. Ooh, what? There's 12 people in right now. Just whether you're leaving comments or you're just watching, just appreciate everyone watching and that, man. There's some people, they're rude to their subscribers and stuff like that, like, and I'm just thinking, like, bruv, you can't be rude to your subscribers. Like, these people are the lifeline of your fucking your YouTube channel, and you're being disrespectful to your subscribers. If I had a subscriber in the comment section talking shit, I'd just ignore it. Yeah. Worst case scenario. Yeah. Worst case, block them. But I ain't gonna be rude to no one or nothing like that, right? I don't do this cyberspace beef. Yeah. So yeah, man, this man out here being rude to their subscribers, and I'm like, rah, these men are the lifeline of your channel, and you got man, dissing there. I'm like, boy, yeah. Don't get it twisted. There's 1-2 subscribers. Ain't no one in this chat here or even been in any of the live streams, to be fair, innit? You leave some stupid ass comments, right? And I just want to slap them, but it's more of a funny, it's a joke thing, innit? Yeah? There's 1-2 people out here, I just want to give them one little slap around their face, innit? Yeah? It ain't got nothing to do with them being disrespectful, but they leave just silly comments on my YouTube channel, innit? And I just think, why are you being so childish, whatever, innit? Nothing disrespectful, but it's just like, you need a little kick up the backside, whatever, innit? Say no names, don't mention anyone's names, yeah, but we know certain people, innit? Yeah. Man, you can't be disrespectful to the fucking subscribers, man. Like, it just shows a lot about your character as well, innit? Yeah, like, you got people coming to your channel, supporting your channel, whatever, innit? Yeah, phoning up, and you're gonna be rude to them. Nah, man. If I had eventually one day, I can't wait to have to call in and shit like that. Cause look, man's holding down the fort, yeah. And obviously, you lot are helping me, and man, appreciate by obviously talking and asking questions and shit. So this is why I'm able to do the live streams for 4 hours and that. But having a man phone up and you're being disrespectful to a man on the phone, nah. If I had a caller call up and I thought they was being disrespectful, I'll say, bro, or might be a lady, but I doubt this would even happen anyway, yeah? But if they were disrespectful to me in whatever way, yeah, bro, just talk to me properly, yeah? Or I'm going to have to end the call with it. It's as simple as that, right? I'm not shouting at no one and nothing like that, right? If he's talking over me or whatever, and if I'm trying to make a point, like, and he's talking over me, right? Like, not where we're having a debate. I mean, like, I'm trying to get a point across to him, like, yo, listen, like, I need you to talk to me with respect, right? And he's talking over me. I'll wait for him to finish what he's saying. Then I'll, say to him, listen, yeah, you need to speak respectfully, or I'm just going to end this call, innit? Yeah, simple as that. I'm not shouting at no one or whatever, yeah? If you're a disrespectful YouTuber and you got people listening and watching, they're not going to want to call into your show because no one wants to be spoken to rudely, yeah, over the phone, face to face, whatever, innit? Yeah. So it's not about being nice. It's just about being, just be decent with people. I don't know what the fuck to call it, man. Yeah. But there's no way I would have people phoning up, or you will never catch me dissing anyone in the comment section or whatever. Innit? No one's even really said nothing. I don't think that I was rude or nothing. I'll just ignore it or whatever, innit? Yeah? I don't know if you can block. I'm sure I could block comments. I don't know, innit? But yeah, I ain't gonna be disrespecting no one or nothing like that. If someone's disrespectful, then I'll just pull them up. If it's a phone thing, I'll just put down the phone on them, innit? But I ain't gonna be shouting at no one or nothing like that. Nah. Don't handle people like that, man. You'll lose subscribers and shit like that. Now, don't get twisted, man. Yeah, nothing kissing no subscribers' ass or nothing like that. But at the end of the day, right, your channel, depends on, subscribers and viewers and stuff like that. So, yeah, that should just be your ethos in life anyway, innit? Yeah, fuck YouTube. Yeah, just be a decent person. If people try to disrespect you, then you pull them up. Yeah, if you're rude to your if you're rude to your subbies or whatever, innit, yeah, or your viewers or whatever, innit, yeah. Maybe other YouTubers will watch that and think, I don't even want to collab with you because you're disrespectful to the. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Like, I don't even want to be in a. I don't even want to be in an interaction with you if you're being disrespectful to your viewers or your subbies or your callers. You understand what I'm trying to say? Like, I don't want to be a part of that, right? Even if you're not being disrespectful to me, I just don't want to be a part of that. Like, that's not me because I know I wouldn't handle them like that. So I don't even want to be around someone and I'm not in the same room as you. I want a split screen, yeah. Want a split screen in it, yeah. But I don't even want to be around a man who's dealing with other man or gal or whatever like that, yeah. Like, would you want to be around one of your friends if he was disrespectful to his missus, like talking to her like she's a piece of shit? No, he's not being disrespectful to you. He respects you highly, whatever, innit? But you don't even want to be in an environment where one of your mans them is talking disrespectful to your missus. Like, you don't want to be around that, innit? So when man them are moving mad and chatting to their subscribers and viewers like they're a piece of shit, they need to realize, right, like other people might see that and think they don't really want to flex with you. They might not want to flex with you or whatever, innit? So yeah. Oh, that's a nice one, Urban. But obviously, I don't really know what you mean by this interactive because I've seen other people's live streams and that, and yeah, they kind of go through the comments. But to be fair, right, maybe the reason why they can't be this interactive because trust me, like just maybe there's a lady called Shira7, yeah. I speak about her a lot, whatever, black lady, whatever, yeah. This woman, Shira7, she's like the fucking AMS of the women's dating world. She teaches women like these manipulation tactics, basically teaches women how to get beta males and basically emasculate men, pretty much, yeah. Anyway, she has, and I can't believe I'm actually doing it. And I used to look at her, watch her videos, right? Just scroll through her videos, and I'm like, how can you do a live stream for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours? And now that I'm in it, I'm like, yeah, it's possible. I could do a live stream for 8 hours. It's possible. Yeah. Especially if I had a man calling up, I could do it for 8 hours. It's possible. But her live stream, she's getting so many women messaging and leaving comments, right? It's really difficult to keep up with all the comments. That's why certain times, now guys, keep bringing the comments in your car. I'll get to them, yeah. But there's certain times like I'm reading comments, right, from 11:33. So Urban Bourbon blog, right, posted this comment here, right? I wish many YouTubers were this interactive, like on the live streams, right? He posted that at 11:33. It's 20 minutes later, and I'm only seeing that message now. But obviously, every time I see a message, I will talk and stuff. And you know me, I just talk for fucking England. So yeah, that's why I get caught up in that. But yeah, maybe they get so many messages in they can't keep up with all of them. So they probably just skim and scam, and then any ones that really stand out, they kind of just they answer them. Fucking hell, there's so many messages. But it's good. Keep messaging people, man.